Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram for more interesting tips and tutorials. Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will create snowflake earrings. They are really nice and cute. If you are a beginner, maybe it will take for you 1 hour for 2 earrings, maybe a bit more. For me it is around 30-40 minutes for both earrings. All necessary materials, what you will need for this tutorial, you will find in description below this video, and it will be just a minimum of materials, so you can find them very quickly and create pair of the earrings for yourself or for your friends for upcoming Christmas and New Year. Let's start. First of all, you will need to take around 1 meter of thread. We start with small crystals. Here are crystals 1 millimeter and seed beads size 15. I have Japanese seed beads size 15. We will need 12 crystals and 12 seed beads. 1 crystal, 1 seed bead, and I continue the same. 1 crystal, 1 seed bead. Now we have 12 crystals and 12 seed beads. Leave a tail at around 10 centimeters and pass through all crystals and seed beads. Come out next to our first thread and make a knot. Then enter to the seed bead. Take 3 seed beads size 15 and enter to the next seed bead. Again 3 seed beads. Enter to the seed bead. 3 seed beads into the seed bead. You go around the crystals all the time with 3 seed beads while we finish our circle. We have left last crystal. We take 3 seed beads. We enter to the seed bead in between the crystals as always, and then go into the second seed bead in the middle. You coming out from the top of our triangle here. Our next step will be we will work with seed beads size 10. Take 1 seed bead size 10 and enter to the next seed bead on the top of triangle. Again 1 seed bead to the top of triangle here. 1 seed bead, top of triangle. Do the same all around. We have left our last seed bead. Enter to the top of triangle and to the first purple seed bead of size 10. Our next step will be we will work with seed beads size 15. Take 5 seed beads skip one seed bead size 10 and enter to the next one. Make sure seed beads are going from the back side. Again 5 seed beads, skip one size 10 and enter to the next one. All the time with 5 seed beads size 15. We have left our last step with 5 seed beads. We enter into the purple, into the size 10, and then we go in the third seed bead. It will be middle seed bead of our 5 seed beads. Now take our Rivoli crystal, enter with it inside our cap and pull a bit. Now we will take one seed bead size 15 and we will enter to the every third seed bead of our previous row. It will be as well like a top of triangle. All the time with one seed bead size 15. We have our last seed bead. We enter as well in the triangle here and then to our first seed bead. Now we need to enter to every seed bead of our last row. It will be 6 seed beads. And pull. You need to enter only in the seed beads of our last row. I will pass through them 2 or even 3 times. Now our back side is ready. I will pass with my thread till the seed bead size 10. Now I will work on my front side. You need to go out from seed bead size 10 and we start. Take 3 seed bead size 10. Enter to the next seed bead of size 10. Then take 3 seed beads of size 15 and enter to the next seed bead of size 10. You go around and mix 3 seed beads size 10, 3 seed beads size 15. Again, size 10, 3 seed beads, and we enter to the next seed bead size 10. 3, 15. Again, 3 seed bead size 10. We work only on the round where we have seed bead size 10. 3 seed beads of size 15. Continue the same till you finish our round. We have left our last 3 seed beads of size 15. We enter to the first seed bead of size 10, then pass to the top of our seed bead size 10, and now we will need to attach our hook. For it, take 2 seed bead size 15, then hook, enter to it, take another 2 seed beads and enter to the same seed bead on the top, but from other side, this way, and pull. Go through the hook a couple of times more to make it more secure. Don't forget to pull. Our hook is attached. Now what we need to do is we need to pass with our thread next to our first thread, make a knot here, and then we will need to secure both threads, and like that our earrings will be ready. I will just pass with my needle and thread to my first thread. I will make a knot and will secure my thread one by one. And we'll just weave the thread in any direction just to secure it. My first thread is secured, so I will just cut it, and I will do the same with my second thread. I will just weave it inside my earring and then I will cut my thread. I will be back to you when my both earrings are ready. My snowflake earrings are ready. As you can see, they came very delicate, nice and small, so the person who will have this kind of earrings can wear them every day. And I must say, these earrings are now my favorites and I go out with them almost every day, especially during this Christmas season. I hope you will enjoy this simple tutorial and you will have your own perfect small snowflake earrings very soon. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget about likes and subscribe to my channel, and of course comment below if you have any questions, suggestions to my channel, or you just want to say hi, and share with me your thoughts about this tutorial. And have a nice day. Bye!